Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through New Kingston and we are on Dominica Drive, and straight ahead that building on the left is the Towers, and then on the right you have the New Kingston Shopping Center. Sorry, the New Kingston Cinema. Now it used to be two cinemas, but one is closed but one is still operational. So they still show movies there, and the other one is used by, it's not operating as a cinema, it's used as a parking lot and also used by Knutsford Express as their New Kingston depot. So we're now turning on to Dumfries Avenue. Sorry, we're now turning on to Dumfries Road. We were on, what's the name of that road? That wasn't Dumfries Road that we're on. This is Dumfries Road that we're turning on now. That was Chelsea Avenue. So straight ahead, that's the Sagicor head office for the life insurance division. So we are now on Grenada Crescent. So straight ahead, that building used to be the Island Life building. It's now the Courtney Center. And that road that is straight ahead, that's Knutsford Boulevard. You turn left, you take Knutsford Boulevard up to Trafalgar Road. Turn right, you take Knutsford Boulevard down to Oxford Road. So we're going straight across and we're staying on Grenada Crescent. So this is now St. Lucia Avenue. Turn left, we take St. Lucia Avenue up to Trafalgar Road. Turn right, we take St. Lucia Avenue back down towards Trinidad Terrace. So we now turned on to Barbados Avenue. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.